Hey everybody, got a 64.5 K Code coupe, factory 4-speed. This is a factory color combination. It's prairie bronze with palomino interior. This car's got its original HIPO engine, transmission, 9-inch rear end. Now what's cool about this car is that Holman Moody did all the improvements and upgrades. Got the original door tag on it. It's a real clean car. It's got the rally pack. Then Holman Moody added Stewart Warner gauges. It's a real plain and simple car, but it's a little hot rod. It's got a couple cosmetic blemishes. A little bit of quarter damage right here. It's got a Le Mans cam in it, a factory Ford Le Mans cam. The car was sent to Holman Moody. They completely rebuilt the engine, polished the rods, added a 2.4 intake. Car is very clean, very dry. And from what I was told, the car will turn 7,500 RPM all day. The sport mirrors were added in 1969. I've got accounts from people that knew the original owner. Let me get this hood open, and then you can see. The car has a generator because it's a 64.5, but as you can see, Holman Moody definitely made some improvements. It's got the Holman Moody valve covers. It's got a 2.4 Cobra intake, Carter carburetors. At one point in time, it had an oil cooler on it. It's got a new fuel pump. Brakes have just all been redone. They added a proportion valve, some braided hoses. See that big HIPO balancer turning? But it does have the VIN, the HIPO VIN on the passenger side of the block and on the transmission. Very sweet car. It's got a couple little bubbles in the door. You know, the car's been painted at one time. You know, it's not a concourse car, but it's really straight, very original, very dry car underneath of it. All original panels, you know, no undercoating, nothing covered. Very nice. Inside the trunk's very nice. You can hear that little Le Mans cam. Awesome. This is a little hot rod in stock form that was built by Holman Moody. So K Code coupe, original engine, transmission. Car was sent to Holman Moody. They overhauled the engine, made some other improvements. They lowered the car a little bit. I've got stories to back this up, and it's not just a story, it's a fact. Very cool car. Thanks for watching.